soon. All right, next we have Samir Jaiswal from Charger. So we talked about the material and the impact that material can make, but a lot of the world is now moving from the internal combustion engine to EVs. And Samir and the team at Charger are looking at how to make that a sustainable transition from an EV infrastructure point of view. So, okay, in the meantime, try and get this thing. Thank you. While Samir gets ready, how many of you think these are kind of technologies that you would like to learn more about? All right, that's good to see. Great. Well, we'll talk more about that during our panel as well. So looking forward to having you guys interact with us. There's Samir. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone, and thanks, Apul, for giving a great introduction. And I'm very happy and honored to be presenting in front of all of you. I'd also like to thank the organizers and Joes for inviting us here. Now, Apul started by saying that, change doesn't stop for anyone. Changes come suddenly. If any of us sitting here in today, if we would have told them that, vaccine for a disease which we have not even heard of can be made and rolled out to 80 or 90% population of the world in a matter of 6 months, would any of us believe that? Would even the medical professionals themselves believe that? No. And that's the same transition that's happening towards electric vehicles. 40% of all air pollution comes from vehicles, from petrol and diesel vehicles which are running on the roads. In all major cities, 40% of the newer generation, our young children, are having bad lungs. They are having lung problems which can be categorized from worse to bad. And that's where there is an urgent need of shifting from petrol vehicles to electric vehicles. We at Charger have taken up the problem of laying down the infrastructure for the country so that a common man can switch from petrol vehicles to electric vehicles. Let me give a quick global context. Countries like China, countries like US, continents like Europe have added more than 50 lakh electric vehicles in the last 5 years. India is going towards a similar direction. In the next 5 years, 25% of all new vehicles are going to be electric. More than 1 crore electric vehicles are going to hit the roads. Governments and vehicle manufacturers are doing their own part by giving incentives for not just manufacturing vehicles but to the end customers for purchasing vehicles. All major companies, including Tata, Toyota, Maruti, Hyundai, to new companies like Tesla, on the two-wheeler side, companies like TVS, Bajaj, Hero, Honda, Yamaha, all of them are announcing electric vehicle models that are going to hit the roads in the next 1.5 years. Now, India's story is slightly different than the rest of the world. We are the world's largest market of two-wheelers, and even our EV story is going to be led by electric two-wheelers and three-wheelers. We need to realize that the solutions that have worked in the Western markets are not going to be applied similarly in India, and we need to realize the problem. The problem is, where do we charge? Lack of charging infrastructure is a chicken and egg problem. Because there is no charging infrastructure, it causes range anxiety, which causes lesser adoption of EVs, which in turn continues to feed the cycle. The globally recommended ratio of public charging stations for electric vehicles is 1:10. USA is at 1:16, Europe is at 1:12, China is at 1:5. And in India today, we don't have any charging infrastructure, and our EV owners are forced to take their vehicles to the 4th floor of their buildings and charge inside their kitchens. And that's what we are here to change. In the next 5 years, more than 26 lakh chargers are needed, and we are here to put a charging station on every street of every city in India. And how are we doing that? Our team has been in the EV space for almost 5 years. With our previous startup, FayBikes, we have worked with almost every stakeholder in the ecosystem. With the governments, we have been part of EV policy consultations. We have worked with almost all major vehicle manufacturers of the country, so we understand their issues in scaling up the sales from a leadership level down to a dealership level. Why does a customer like a vehicle in the dealership but then not purchase that vehicle? We understand those anxieties. We have delivered more than 2 crore EV kilometers. We have seen all kinds of use cases coming from fleet owners like Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato, Swiggy, Myntra, to regular people like office commuter, students or housewives. What are their anxieties in, owning an electric vehicles? And it is from this unique insight is where we have started building Charger. Charger is a one-stop shop platform for all EV charging needs of an EV owner. They can discover, book, pay and operate charging stations using the Charger app. And our motto is anyone who plans to buy an electric vehicle or already owns an electric vehicle just need, whether he is standing in middle of a dense city or is standing in middle of a remotest village, for any charging need, he should be able to just say, I need not worry, Charger hai na. We are with our flagship solution, which we call Kirana Charger. We are able to convert everything from a small Kirana store to a photocopy shop to a tire repair shop to larger locations like malls, supermarkets, hospitals, hotels, resorts, apartments, to offices, to tech parks, to petrol bunks, into charging station. That's the whole universe of chargers that we are creating. On one side, we have a large distributed decentralized network of kiranas, gyms, restaurants, to more premium locations like malls, hotels, resorts, to even areas where you need it 90% of the time, that is apartments, that is offices, that is charging hubs. And all of that we are bringing onto a single platform, the Charger app, from which be it an individual customer or be it a business customer, they are able to use it. Our app is quite simple. We have the basic scan, book, pay and charge, and we already have more than 25,000 customers using our platform. But beyond this, we have developed solutions which are needed for everyone, specific solutions for apartments, specific solutions for offices. In apartments, we are delivering savings not just in terms of carbon emissions, but also delivering savings in terms of the money that they can save. The biggest problem right now when we are shifting towards electric vehicles, and everyone's question is, can the grid support that much load? Is there enough load available? And with our unique load balancing solution that runs on Charger Cloud, we are able to set up the same number of charging points with 50% less load. If there's an existing location, there is no need to increase the loads. We work with that existing load, however less it is, to set as many number of charging stations as possible. We are working with the full ecosystem. Our customers include giants like Indian Oil. We are working with almost all major manufacturers in the country on the two-wheeler side as well as three-wheeler side. We are already being utilized on a daily basis by more than 1,000 vehicles. In Bangalore alone, we are on a monthly basis delivering more than 3 megawatts of power and saving almost 2 tons of carbon emissions every month. We have started almost a year back. We are present right now in 20 cities with more than 200 charging stations, and we are scaling very quickly. In the next 2 months, we are setting up almost 2,500 more charging stations. We are India's largest active charging station with an average utilization of 3 hours per charger per day, which is more than 10% utilization per charger, when the industry average is 15 minutes per charger per week. A quick look at the kind of installations that we have done. We are present in petrol bunks, we are being used by all kinds of vehicles, be it bikes, be it cars, be it autos, and at all kinds of locations. We are to go towards sustainability, we have designed charging solutions which can be installed anywhere with a basic electricity connection. And we aim to bring chargers in a radius of 200 to 300 meters of the common man, so that the common man can start adopting electric vehicles. Taking you through some pictures where we have done installations, where we are present in smallest of the smallest kiosks to largest of the malls. We are present in the in-orbit mall network, but you can see a small photocopy shop which is a very tiny kiosk. We are also present there. We are also creating a lot of impact in terms of not just environmental impact. For environmental impact, over the next 4 years, we will be saving more than 20 billion grams of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gas emissions. Just by presence of enough charging infrastructure, we will be accelerating the adoption of electric vehicles by a factor of 5.5. Along with this, we also have socio-economic impacts. We are helping gig workers, we are helping individuals to adopt electric vehicles for their livelihood, for auto walas, for drivers who are doing deliveries, for all of these logistics companies like Swiggy, Zomato, etc. We are increasing their take-home income by 40% and up to another 100%. So that's all from my side, and it has been my privilege to present in front of all of you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks, Samir.